One of my first political memories was meeting the then Labour Prime Minister Jim Callaghan on a visit to Ammanford. He came up to me and with the cameras behind him and asked, of course, that typical politician's question, well, what do you want to be when you grow up, young man? And I said straight away, Prime Minister. Ah, you want my job? He said to laughter behind him. No, I said, I want to be Prime Minister of Wales. We didn't make the 10 o'clock news that night. I was born in Tumble, then was brought up in T Cross near Ammanford. My father was a coal miner, actually a champion boxer as well. My mother was originally from Worcester, a typical working class family. I really became politicised by the miners' strike in the middle of the 1980s, standing there on the picket line in my school uniform, and that sense of a community standing together because they actually believed in the common good of their own community. And that's the memory that I return to when I need to remind myself of why I do what I do. I want to be First Minister because we're failing to realise our potential in so many ways. If we continue along the path that we're on, then we'll get the same result, which is where we've been for the last 20 years or more, at the bottom of the economic league table. The biggest imperative of all is to tell the people of Wales there's nothing inevitable about the state of poverty that we find ourselves in. We've got to show to people that's not because we don't have the ability, we don't have the capacity in Wales to do better. It's because of the poor leadership that we've had over the last 20 years. We need to rekindle people's sense that change is possible. But not just possible, but it's coming, and it's coming soon. We can turn our country around. But the first step is for us to believe in ourselves. None of this is going to be easy. We have a mountain to climb, but we're a country that is full of mountains, so we should be pretty good at climbing them. What does Plaid Cymru mean? It means the party of Wales. The party of rural Wales, the party of industrial Wales, Welsh speakers and non-Welsh speakers, people born here and people moved here. We can create a new Wales, but we can only do it if we do it together. If we don't do it, then who will? If we don't do it now, then when? We need you. Wales needs you. The new Wales needs you. It's waiting for us. Let's build it together.